Quilters, get ready to create stunning star-shaped masterpieces without breaking the bank. Today we're exploring the top free Carpenter's Star and Carpenter's Wheel quilt patterns. The Carpenter's Star, also known as the Carpenter's Wheel, is a classic quilt design featuring a large star made from interlocking pieces. It's perfect for quilters of all skill levels, using just one or two basic blocks to create a striking visual effect. Let's start with Mary Quilts' Carpenter's Star pattern. This 56 by 68 inch quilt uses squares and half-square triangles to create the illusion of a diamond piece design. It's a true showstopper that will elevate any room. For those who prefer working with blocks, Wendy Russell's Carpenter's Wheel block pattern offers both 16-inch and 12-inch options. This versatile design allows you to create a quilt that's uniquely yours. If you're dreaming of the beach, consider the calming blue tones of the next Carpenter's Wheel pattern. Available in 33 by 33 inch or 26 by 26 inch sizes, it's perfect for quilters of all levels and uses only half-square triangles. For a simplified approach, try Julie Hertz's Easy 48-inch Carpenter's Star quilt. This pattern includes a fabric cutting diagram and a coloring page to help you plan your design before you start sewing. Caroline's Carpenter's Star quilt with border measures 66 by 66 inches and is ideal for cozy throws or baby quilts. You can easily adjust the size by modifying the border width. For a burst of color, check out Jennifer's Rainbow Carpenter's Star quilt along. This pattern uses fat quarters to create a vibrant, Y-seam-free version of the classic design. New parents will love Deanna's Carpenter's Star baby quilt. At 36 by 36 inches, it's the perfect size for little ones and a great way to use up fabric scraps or charm packs. Lastly, for those seeking a challenge, Amanda Harward's Go Open Stripes Throw quilt offers a 84 by 84 inch design that combines Carpenter's Wheel blocks with striking stripe patterns. From classic charm to modern flair, there's a pattern to suit every quilter's style. So gather your fabric, thread your needle, and start crafting your own stunning Carpenter's Star quilt today. Want more Carpenter's Star and Carpenter's Wheel quilt patterns to spark your creativity? Visit ilovequiltingforever.com for a constellation of inspiring designs.